We've got passion, we've got determination. And if we set our sights on something, you better believe it's happening.
We always felt like our content was all about entertainment and being fun, but there was also this, sort of professional business side. One of the things that we knew was basically essential was getting our own website, so people would actually see a proper official group who mean business and who can deliver. And we always had this vision of bringing things into existence that previously had never been seen.
This is the world's largest act.
We bounced a plane, a boat and a car, and it was wild. So today, How Ridiculous have 50 million followers.
We're in the billions of views.
Tens of billions.
That's pretty good.
I don't know all the things that we're going to get to do in the next year or 5 years, but if we can do this as a job, anything's possible.
Do you know what's really fun? Making a website on Wix.